Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 8th tutorial of Power BI. In previous class we have just discussed various ways of data extraction and I hope you guys like that video. So now we will learn some more interesting feature about Power Query Editor which is very much useful for making reports. And in today's class we will learn how to build calendar table and we will also discuss how do we use fill up and fill down. So these are the only two topics which we only discuss in today's class. So let's go to the Power Query Editor window guys. Now you can see I have uploaded one sales table here with date column. Now we will build calendar table with the help of this date column. So firstly you need to go this add column and here is the option guys which is date. Now you guys can see we have a list of options are there which is month, year, quarter, week, day, so on. But all are disabled. You know why? Because we have entered incorrect data. That's why it's not enabled. So first I'll change this data type which is date. So go to this section and select date. Now you guys can see the ABC convert into the date table and all options are enabled. So you need to keep in mind before doing anything. Data type should be correct. So I'll talk only few basic things here, rest you need to practice and explore more yourself. So firstly I want to see the day's name from this date column like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. So what I'll do, I'll just go with day and select name of day. So you guys can see we have a list of days name. And one important thing you need to keep in mind, your column should be selected because this is your base, else you will get false output. Now I want to add month name. So I'll just simply select this date column and go to add column section and select date. Now go to this month part and select name of month. So you guys can see we have a list of month name which is Jan, Feb till December. Now let's take one more example. This time I want to see the year. So I'll go with this year and select this year. Now you guys can see we have a new column added with year name. All the year get fetched from the dates column. So in this way you can create date table according to your requirement. So I will suggest do practice and explore more data and play with data as much as you can. Now we will talk about another important feature of data cleansing in Power Query Editor, which is fill up and fill down. Sometimes we have received the data in that format. So we need to fill these null values with the help of fill down and fill up. Like we have a region name which is Southeast and other values are null. And if I scroll down, you guys can see we have a Northeast region and other values are still null. So how do we get rid of it? So we have another important feature of Power Query Editor which is fill down and fill up. So what you need to do, you just simply select this column and do right click. And here is the option guys which is fill. So in this case, we need to select fill down. So you guys can see all null values has removed and our clumsy data convert into the right manner. So in this way, you can use fill up or fill down according to your data set or according to your requirement. So we have covered only two topics in today's class and I'll tell you more interesting feature about Power Query Editor. And gradually we will move towards making report. So stay tuned with us and keep watching and keep learning. So I have given a link of practice file in description box. So you guys can download from there and make practice. And please like this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And please share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. Thank you so much guys for your support and keep support this channel. Thank you so much guys.